Hello YouTube, Zumazet Biker here. I just thought I'd do a quick video on the Fulaim wireless microphone system that I've purchased. I got it originally to be able to do audio to the drone. I'll show you how that's done in a minute, but I'm currently using this mic plugged into my Hero 10. And the audio, to me, is quite good considering the cost of this kit compared to the DJI in-road ones. They're both round about the £300. This Fulaim is just over 100. The mic I've got on at the moment is fixed on with a magnet to my shirt. And I'm currently doing this audio through my Hero 10 through this microphone, and I'll show you now how to do the screen record for audio on the drone. I'll just switch the remote on. I'll put it up so you can see it. It's better, it didn't want to switch on, but there we go. Right, let's wait for this to power up. I've got the receiver here plugged in. Normally I'd have this fixed if I'm running it off me GoPros to the medium mod, but for what I'm doing here, I'm keeping it just dangling down. Right, so me remote to my drone is now powered up. So what I would do is get the other end on the USB-C and plug it in to the receiver. I don't know whether this is going to work on my camera. I'll try it. Then obviously I get my remote. Don't know whether you can see it, but swipe down twice, press record. Now that's recording to the screen, and if this is working, it'll be recording the audio as well to the memory card in me remote. And this is how I get audio to me drone footage. Right, stop that. Nice and simple setup, but effective. Up a short one that I done the other night using the drone with the audio so you can see, but I'm quite happy with it for the cost, and one of the reasons I got it, I'm going to start trying to do a lot more off-bike recording, and with this system hopefully is going to make life a lot easier. Screen record. Now that's recording to the screen, and if this is working, it'll be recording the audio as well to the memory card in me remote. And this is how I get audio to me drone footage. A little bit more about the Fulaim wireless microphone system. You get two mics and one receiver, and they both come in this nice little compact case, which is also a charging hub, as you can see. If I open that up, you can see the blue lights coming on. There's the mic I'm not using in there on charge. You also get two adapters. That's a USB-C, and you also get the one for Apple, for iPhones, so you can plug it into your phone. But I'm using a lead, USB-C to USB-C lead for what I'm using it for, because it's a better fit. I think it's a nice little system. I'm going to say you will get the equivalent of 3 full lots of recording of up to about, I think it was 5 or 6 hours at a time from one charge on the charging hub in the case. So you're good to go for a full day's recording if you wanted to, without worrying about running out of battery power. So for the price, I thought this was quite good. That's my short rundown on the Fulaim wireless microphone system and what I'm going to be using it for. I've already put it up once round the back. Recorded the band, but I went down a bit lower than I normally do.
It doesn't sit still, doesn't it?
Yeah.
There's no breeze tonight either, is there?
He's going to open the field up, he said. Put them down in the field.
Normally I wouldn't do it this low, but I don't think it's going to hurt because there's no wind.
Did you get a photo of the man falling off his bike over there? Oh, you didn't see that?
No, I've only just come back round the front now, so...
Oh, yeah. He looks like he's about to fall off that as well, doesn't he?
How embarrassing.
What, falling off in front of all them people?
Do you see all them chappies like stood in front of me, they were all just staring.
I know. Plane gone, Mike? Where is it?
It's got a job to see it because of the tree.
Which direction is it? Over there somewhere?
Yeah, I'm just coming back now.
Don't crash into the tree then. Oh, this side, right, I can see it, yeah.